so we're gonna light this bomb right now.
Yeah, and this is like our intro, kind of. Getting us warmed up. Luke, stand back. This thing spins up. Dang. Okay, so here's part 2. We are continuing on. Yep, mini bomb. Luke, stand back. This thing, I believe it's like some sort of crackling bomb. Yo.
That was not bad.
I know it wasn't, but look at how burned it is. Dang. Smoldering. Make sure everything went in there. I think I saw some gunpowder left. You want to go check for extra gunpowder? Or I think I saw a little bit of gunpowder. It didn't go. I think it was layered weird.
It got me.
Oh yeah, there was okay.
Okay, now let's light this big boy right now.
So
I'm gonna light the bomb.
Alrighty, Luke, stand back for this. Really far back. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna go up. Run, run, Kai, run! I know it's hard to see on videos. Jeez. Bro, go make sure we don't have any fires down there. I hope we didn't set anything on fire.
How do we put that smoke? No.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if y'all can see all this smoke.
Put that smoke.
Yeah. Oh. Kai, I think something's on fire. Guys, bro, something's on fire.
What the heck? Something's on fire. What the heck is happening?
Jeez.
Holy crap.
Hope it goes out. Bro, it is smoking like crazy.
I don't know what happened. No,
I don't wanna hear this.
It's beautiful.
By the way, we're going to be lighting some more bombs off tonight. Yo, what is smoking over? It's smelling like crazy.
I think I know what it is.
Wait, is that one of the explosives? Did one of them not shoot properly?
I think so.
Bro, I don't know if you guys can see that, but look, it looks like there's something in the ground. It's very hard to see.
Look at this
crappy
smoke
right
right
now.
It just keeps on going.
I know it is. Smoking like crazy. Okay. Y'all, I don't know
What the heck
to
is
say
happening?
about all this. Shoot. Oh, I think it's going
Crap, we gotta spray it down.
Yeah, go. Now you think about that. Smart. Yo, it's still smoking like crazy.
Spray it down.
Yo. Oh. Alright, I think it's good. I think it's out. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Well, y'all, hope you enjoyed those bombs. Kai, do you have anything to say? Have anything to say about those bombs, Kai?
I thought we said spray. Pretty dangerous. I don't know what caught on fire.
Join us later on tonight as we shoot off some more bombs, some small ones, and then we may or may not have bought 3 more big ones.
Can you show back
Hi
the
guys.
last?
Oh, I know it's really out of focus, but we got another one of those bombs that shoots the crackling
Yeah,
up.
and I guess it's like a mini one, and
if it fails, I think there's blue smoke.
yeah,
It's blue or
like
yellow.
that other one had red smoke. I don't know why, but I always wondered why it has different colors.
It's blue or yellow. I can't remember.
I don't even know what color it is.
I think it said blue or yellow. All right,
Yeah,
do you want to be the lighter?
Yeah, sure.
You can see it down there. Don't stand over it. Oh God, Kai tipped over. It tipped over. Kai, take the lighter. I need to go.
Yeah.
I need to make sure nothing went wrong.
I don't know what the heck happened.
Everything looks fine. Haven't seen anything weird?
What's that behind you?
What?
Hold the camera right now.
Oh, yeah.
What's happening? What is happening?
Bro. Here's. Oh my gosh. Bro, we shouldn't breathe it in.
Wait, in the video, I don't know what the heck is happening.
Bro, is that dirt smoking?
I don't even know.
I think the dirt has a cigarette. Bro, it tipped over. Look at that thing.
Yeah.
I
don't know.
I gotta be careful, Kai.
I don't think if you want to breathe it in, so.
Alrighty, I know y'all look like it's real close, but again, that zoom.
Try to get the hose. Go get the hose.
Yeah.
What the heck is happening?
Bro. Did you just film us? We have a just unknown. Alrighty, we'll get back to you if everything's okay. Bye, guys.